This cryptocurrency guide for beginners will break down the basics and explain how cryptocurrency works. And it will also open to you how to start investing safely. I'll walk you down the essential steps and highlight for you the cryptocurrency security tips and help you understand the potential risks. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer picture of how to dive into the world of crypto with confidence. Cryptocurrency is known as digital money, so it's unlike the cash you put in your bank account. Cryptocurrencies only exist online and it is secured by cryptography. So what makes cryptocurrency different from the money in your bank account is because cryptocurrency is not controlled by a government or a bank. Cryptocurrency runs on a network of computers that works together. So the control of cryptocurrency is in the hands of the users, not in the hands of government or a bank. So this makes cryptocurrency an exciting alternative investment. Each cryptocurrency works slightly different, but nevertheless, they all use blockchain technology. In cryptocurrency, blockchain is a huge online notebook where all cryptocurrency transaction is recorded. Once a transaction is created, it cannot be changed, and everyone can see that transaction. So this transparency and security is what makes cryptocurrency attractive and trustworthy to people. So whether you're interested in using cryptocurrencies to make purchases, to transfer money, or to invest, you must first understand the basics. If you're ready to take this step into crypto but you're not sure where to start, this video will cover you on how to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners step by step. The first step into cryptocurrency is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Because to be able to buy cryptocurrency, you need to use a crypto exchange, which is an online marketplace where you can trade digital currencies. There are many popular platforms that are beginner friendly and they offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies to choose from. The next step into cryptocurrency is to decide on the cryptocurrency that you want to invest in. Most beginners like to start with options like Bitcoin and Ethereum because these two are widely accepted and more stable than smaller or newer coins. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are generally seen as safer options. Step number 3. Once you have decided on the cryptocurrency exchange and the cryptocurrency to invest in, you will now need a cryptocurrency wallet to store that digital coin safely. Your wallet can either be online, which is hot, or offline, which is cold. The step number 4 is for you to make your first purchase. Now that your wallet is set up, you can decide to buy a whole coin or a fraction of one, depending on the amount you want to invest. So after completing the transaction, your coins will appear in your wallet. The next step is to set a strategy, because successful investing does not just stop in buying. So you should consider cryptocurrency investment strategies. This includes long-term hodling. Hodling is a popular term in crypto community. It helps you to hold on to your investment through market ups and downs, or you take a more active approach in trading, as it's very important to stay informed to manage risk and avoid putting all your funds into a single cryptocurrency. Now let's dive into the risks that are involved when investing in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has plenty of potentials for growth. It's not without risk. So before diving into crypto, you should understand the potential downsides and always be prepared with the volatility that comes with digital assets. The first risk to note when trading crypto is high volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their wide price swings. One day, Bitcoin can just hit high and the next day can just drop by 20%. So this means that while there's potential for high returns, there's also significant risk of loss. I tell you that this can be very stressful, especially if you are not used to seeing large fluctuations in the value of your investments. The next risk to put in mind, you already know that cryptocurrency is not controlled by government or bank, right? So unlike your traditional financial markets, cryptocurrency is still relatively unregulated. This lack of oversight can create opportunities for fraud, market manipulations, or unreliable exchanges. The next risk to put in mind is the security. Although blockchain technology is secure, but there are still risks when it comes to storing and managing your cryptocurrency. Hacks, phishing attacks, and wallet vulnerabilities can lead to lost or stolen funds. So that's why cryptocurrency security tips are very vital to keep in mind. By using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and storing your assets in a secure wallet. The next risk to put in mind is to know that since the rise of cryptocurrency, scams have become more common. From fake exchanges to pump and dump schemes, it's very easy to fall into a trap as a beginner if you are not careful. So you should always verify the legitimacy of platforms and projects before investing your money. The last risk to look into is the regulatory changes. Regulatory changes could impact the market as governments all over the world are currently taking closer look at cryptocurrency. From tax implications to outright bans, these changes could affect your investment. While the risks may seem intimidating, being aware of them is the first step to mitigating them. In all, it's approaching cryptocurrency investments with caution, keeping security in mind, and understanding the market's unpredictability. So in our next video, we'll be talking on the top 5 cryptocurrencies for beginners, how to trade in cryptocurrency security tips. This video is divided into part 1 and part 2 because I cannot bring to you everything on this video. It will be so long and not understandable. Please always do well to catch up on the latest videos in the channel. If you watch this video to this extent and you are yet to give it a like, you are yet to subscribe to the channel, and you are yet to share this video, please kindly give this video a thumb up, subscribe, and share this video. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell after you have subscribed, so that you get notified once a new video is being posted in the channel, so that you don't get to miss out on any videos. Those who constantly watch my videos anytime you come across them, I really appreciate you guys. For this, we come to the end of this video. I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.